Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making popsicle kids version. Yes, so yummy, so delicious. Your kids will love it. They will thank you for this popsicle. If you want to see how I made this popsicle, please stay tuned and keep watching and subscribe. All right. So guys, to start this popsicle, we need strawberry. Yes, so I'm using 1.5 cup. This is not like the regular cup, this is a very large cup. So and I'm using two large bananas, and also half cup of strawberry. Like I said, I'm not using the regular measuring cup. So just grab as much strawberry, watermelon, banana that you want, depending on how much popsicle you want to make. So I'll go ahead and blend this up. So I did not add any water. That's why I added the strawberry. I added the watermelon at the bottom, because the watermelon will help this produce a lot of water. So once I'm done blending everything together, so once everything is blended, I went ahead and add some milk. Okay, use any milk of choice, whole milk, skim milk, fat free. It depends, just do whatever you want. Okay, so I added just a little bit of milk at the bottom of the molder, just like that, as tiny as possible. If I'm using spoon to measure this, it should be about 1 tablespoon of milk that I added in each. So I went ahead and also add my blended watermelon, strawberry, and banana, and then everything is ready. The next step is just to cover this up. This popsicle is so easy to make. Okay, in less than 10 minutes you're done with the popsicle. So I went ahead and add the popsicle stick. You can push this all the way down, or you can just push it through to the middle. It depends on how much you want the stick to be sticking out or sticking in. So once we are done, I'll put this in my freezer for a couple hours. And here we are back. Okay, after 6 hours or so. You can leave this in your freezer as long as you want. It doesn't really matter. Okay, depend on when you have time to go get it out. So I'll go ahead and remove the lid. And this popsicle mode is so easy to use. You don't need to struggle of it spilling or anything like that. So easy. And getting it out of the mold, getting the popsicle out of the mold, is also not a big deal. Just hold on to the popsicle molder with one hand. Okay, just hold it down with one hand and then use the other hand to pull it out. So that's easy. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you guys again. You just use one hand and press the popsicle molder down, and then use the other hand to pull it out. So even if you're still having a hard time, just go ahead and run the popsicle at the back of it on the water. But like I told you guys, it's not a big deal. It's not so hard. Just a little bit of pressing down on the popsicle molder and use the other hand to pull it out, and you have this amazing looking and delicious tasting popsicle for your kids to enjoy. Yeah, I said kid because if you're on a keto diet, you probably wouldn't like to eat this, because you cannot have watermelon on a keto diet, and you cannot have bananas on a keto diet. So like the one that I made, if you haven't seen the video that I made on the keto version, please go check that out, and I'll put the link up here as well. So check it out. You'll see keto version of this popsicle. For this one, I made this one particularly for my kids to enjoy, and the other one is for me, but they can still have it if they want, but I can't have this one. Okay, so that's it for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy spending your precious time with me in my kitchen today. I'll see you guys on my next one. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and turn the notification bell on. Give this video a like and share as well. And thank you all for stopping by, and I will see you all on my next one. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.